7. And the race is on 6A. Reyes Angel fast to begin. Moving up, Stay at Home. Muralia also rising up is Gabby's Choice. Moving up by Drell to grab the lead is entry number 1, Roadmaster. Roadmaster is now the leader, followed by Reyes Angel. In second, Muralia, Stay at Home is racing forward by Drell and running in P by about 3 lengths. Gabby's Choice by Drell. And rounding the far turn, Roadmaster. Reyes Angel is getting closer and moving up from the outside, almost catching the lead. Reyes Angel this time by a long neck. Roadmaster down on the inside. Stay at Home. Then here comes the couple entry of the favorite 6A. Number 6, Gabby's Choice. As they raise the last 200, it's now 6A, Reyes Angel by about 2 lengths. 6, Gabby's Choice taking the second spot. Stay at Home down in third. Roadmaster, Muralia, Sincerely Devil. And finally, 6A, Reyes Angel. 6, Gabby's Choice. Stay at Home, Roadmaster, Expedition, and Sincerely Devil for your Pentafecta.